today's video, I'll show you how you can earn money by watching and rating videos on ArayMusic. It's super simple, anyone can do it. First, open your browser and go to www.araymusic.com. Then click on register and fill in the required details like username, email address, password, make sure it's secure, and 4-digit secret PIN. This is important. You'll need it when withdrawing your earnings. Then agree to the terms and conditions and subscribe to the newsletter to receive exciting weekly offers, and click on I'm Not a Robot box, then click Create Account. After that, a confirmation email will be sent to your registered email. Open it and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, log back into ArayMusic.com. Step 2. Understanding the dashboard. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard with various sections. FAQ, currency, and language settings located at the top for easy customization. Earning Wallet displays your total earnings. Spending Wallet section shows the amount you've added or spent for upgrades. At Total Withdrawals section, you can track your lifetime earnings. In Daily Earnings section, you can see your earnings for the current day. Total Views section has lists of video categories, and with a progress bar on the right showing your daily watch count and earnings. On the left side menu, you can explore additional features which will be covered in a separate video. Step 3. Start earning by watching videos. First, click on Earn from the left side menu, then select Rate and Earn. After that, browse and choose a video from the available categories, then play the video and watch it for at least 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you'll be asked to rate the video. Once you do, you'll instantly earn money. It's that simple. Watch, rate, and earn. Step 4. Boost your earnings. If you want to maximize your earnings, check out the upgrade plans available on ArayMusic.com account. Upgrading can help you earn faster and more efficiently.